Hello guys, I have a Galaxy S2 with password. Now I will show you how to remove this password. Here my Galaxy S2. I press a power. Galaxy S2. Okay. Mhm. See? Enter password to unlock. Now, how to remove this password via format? I will see you again. Okay, and turn off the phone. Turn off the phone. Okay, wait. Remove battery. Remove battery. Then put into back and press volume up. Volume up. Then home button. Then press power inside. On the power button. Then oh crap, stuck on logo. Okay, wait. Again. Press volume up, home button, power. Then after vibrate. Okay, now wait until to show CWN and chuk. Wait until the so processing is laggy because the password. Okay, waiting. 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 So okay, now start begin. Now choose the number wait, per number. Number 3. Wipe data factory receipt. Okay. Wipe data factory receipt. Okay. 1, 3. Okay. Then press power. No. Home button only. Sorry. Okay. It's done. Delete all. Boom. Okay. Now, the problem is how to enter the password to confirm. Now, your password, okay, start. and try other number or ano what you want. Okay, at enter 5 times. Okay, okay, sorry, try again, okay, try again. Try again. Then, sorry. Okay. Try. What you want number? Okay. 3 times. Now I need 5 times. 5 times. Okay. Now, I show you the reading. Sorry for my snowy camera. Okay. I read for you. Sorry. Try again. If you fail one more time, okay, sorry, try again. If you fail one more time, you can lose data in SD card. Okay, I try one more time. Okay, try one more time. Then, okay. Okay, next procedure is password do not match. Okay, password do not match. Okay. Then you have password. No. Okay. You have wrong password login. Now I should continue to format. Show you format. Okay. Now the code is done. Now select reboot. Okay. Reboot the phone. Okay. The unit is done. Thank you for watching. Okay, skip. I don't know, but I don't know what was. Okay, next. Okay. Taran! Phone is totally on. Okay. Thank you for watching.